I've waited lifetimes to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki and this is Flexi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do not be afraid to subscribe because it's lit over here. In today's video, you guys will see how I ended up with these lovely curls, which I have not separated them. So it's like two curls in one. Once I separate them, it will definitely give another look, and I will insert that clip at the end of this video. But let's get into it. Are you guys feeling it? It's a different size curls, and if you guessed it, or you can see by the title, I used Flexi rods. So I used the blue ones, and they are 9 by 16 inch, 9/16 of an inch round. So they're not the very small ones. They're next in line to that one, but this is the look, and I'm definitely feeling it. Some have already dropped, which I don't really know if it's my takedown method or whatever, but as we go, we will grow and we're gonna figure that out together, okay? But yes, stay tuned if you want to see more in detail how I completed this look.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus.
I wake up to fight for my eyes. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. My mind it runs. All these thoughts are
As I start any lock style, I always would like to spray my hair from root to ends. For this look, I will be twisting the roots to add a more flatter look to the top of my head due to having to wear hats for work. After getting the root twisted, I am spraying my ends to ensure that it has enough water to hold an actual curl. I then take the flexi rod and ensure that the ends of my locks are tucked behind the rest of the strand and twist it up to the root.
Producers, you know,
So
I
you do
didn't.
not consider yourself a proper producer?
I call myself a baby producer. because I feel like I'm still learning, and this is not like me in my final form. I'm still, you know, growing. So yeah, I'm a baby producer, but I'm about to become, you know, a full-time master.
Let's actually even speak about your growth. Where have you been? Where are you now? And where are you heading?
I've been underground, really. I've been working underground, just trying to like perfect my skills, perfect my music, which is why I've taken a bit of time. Now I'm at the stage of releasing more music, just getting out there and like sharing my music with the world.
So this is what we looking like. Head full of curls.